Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna be doing a Blair Waldorf hair and makeup inspired routine. Gossip Girl is one of my favorite shows of all time, so I thought I'd do one inspired by that. So let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with the hair. I'm gonna be doing this kind of curly haired look she has. I'm just waiting for my curling iron to heat up and then we'll come back. Okay, right now I'm just gonna curl my hair. Okay, my hair looks crazy, but I'm just gonna add some got-to-be spray to keep my hair still. So just... Okay, now we're gonna move on to the makeup. I'm gonna start off with some foundation. I haven't worn foundation in forever. Okay, next I'm gonna add some concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some powder. Okay, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. Okay, next I'm gonna use some of this blush. Okay, next I'm gonna add some highlights. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. I've been using this palette a lot lately. I love it. Okay, next I'm gonna use a more lighter shade. Okay, my eyeliner finished, so I'm just gonna go right into mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip liner. Some little lip gloss. I'm just gonna add a little more concealer. Setting spray. Okay guys, this is the look. Not too much makeup. I feel like it's pretty simple, effortless. I tried my best. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Comment down other makeup looks that I should do. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.